Hello lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a slow living cook and organize with me. My cabinets and my silverware drawer, my utensil drawer are a mess and they really need some organization. Today we had to turn on the heat on this really chilly day. I'm not sure how I feel about that. So to help with all those feels that summer's over and we're transitioning into that cold weather, I think a big bowl of steaming potato soup would really help with that. So let's get into this. To get started today, I'm going to start with cutting my root vegetables for my potato soup. I want to get my soup going so that it is cooking while I'm organizing, so that when I'm all done, I can put everything away, have my soup, and clean up my kitchen. But at least I got the organization part done that I need to do, because my cabinets and my silverware drawer, they need some help. So as you probably can see, my silverware drawer is a disaster. We just moved here a couple months ago from Pennsylvania, and I think I was just such in a rush to get unpacked that I just put things where I thought they needed to go, and then you just start living life, and this is what happens. And every time I open up this drawer, I'm just like, oh, this is such a mess. So I'm going to use this chilly day while my potato soup is cooking to organize this drawer once and for all and get it to where I can just open it and I know what utensils I have, where everything is, and everything needs a home. So let's do this now. So I took all the silverware out of its container, cleaned it, put it back, and now I'm going to refill it and organize as I go. I'm going to add a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, some salt and pepper, turn it down and bring it to a simmer and let it simmer for at least an hour for all of those flavors to marry. And while that's doing that, I'm going to take care of cleaning out my, I don't know what you want to call it, coffee mug slash glass cabinet, because it's a mess. I can't ever reach anything and I'm short. And these cabinets are so high, but I'm going to try to do my best without my tall husband or a stepladder. Thank you so much for joining me today, lovies. I really hope that you enjoyed this beautiful, slow living, fall inspired video where I just felt like I needed to nest, so to speak. We turned the heat on, it's really cold. I wanted to make something warm, get some organization done, and just work in my kitchen. I hope this gave you great motivation to organize something in your home, an idea to make a yummy something for your family, and I will be seeing you very soon in a new video. Until then, remember that I love you, but God loves you so much more. I'll be talking to you in the next one. Until then, take care of you, and I'll be talking to you then. Bye, lovies!